This course really helps them to get that formal education in terms of the analytic techniques and very importantly the tool of SAS like Enterprise Guide and Enterprise Miner, which is very useful in model building in the real business scenarios. Big employers have been coming to us continuously in campus and picking our good students, and they are quite happy with our students because these analytics professionals' major job is to give a decision support to the top management, and industry really recognizes that talent very fast. NMIMS and SAS, we have signed a strategic relationship for the next 5 years. We want to develop a center of analytics, a center of excellence around analytics, so that we really innovate ourselves in this particular field. As everyone knows, the SAS Enterprise Guide has the capabilities that you don't have to write codes yourself, and the miner has a capability to handle large data and do modeling in a very effective way. Businesses would want a suggestion from the analysts about the likely future, what is going to happen, how my products are going to behave in future, what kind of market shares I can have, or if I do a certain strategy or marketing strategy, how my sales are going to change. So this needs a lot of predictive modeling approaches to forecast the future based on various marketing inputs, and accordingly then they can also decide which particular marketing input is more efficient or effective. Recommending for the future is very important for the industry. I have seen vendors, sometimes they know only software, but they don't understand analytics. So that's the difference I think SAS brings on table with having the blend of tools and the industry or the analytics knowledge both together and complemented with business case studies which make it more real based and the latest case studies. The students want to have a contemporary knowledge. So that is where, looking at all these aspects, we partnered with SAS for a longer term strategic relationship. Some of the big clients are already using SAS, so it becomes easy for our students who have the knowledge of SAS to work on those projects. So and also for placement point of view, knowing SAS is a big plus. Having taken a formal education from statistics, I always was passionate about statistics and analytics. In this role, I also want to serve the industry using faculty, students in the form of consultancy or advice. That also helps us to really be connected with the industry and also accordingly revamp our course on an ongoing basis so that it is contemporary in nature. So this excites me a lot, definitely.